serotonin, dopamine, or noradrenaline transporters. So it means that there are other sorts of transporters. And for histamine, the degradation that we know is histamine and methyltransferase. So this is an enzyme which is located inside the cytoplasm of histaminergic neurons, which suggests that maybe histamine is reuptake by histamine cells and destroyed by this enzyme. It is not clear. So here I put this cartoon showing the neurotransmitter reuptake sites. We will see that these reuptake sites usually have gradients or use the gradients of sodium and chloride. They also can use glial cells, and they are, I mean, for reuptake sodium, chloride, probably they are specific of neurotransmitter, but you have other ones. Those have been symbolized without gray here, translucid. You have also other transporters for monoamines that have low affinity but extremely high efficacy to reuptake monoamines. They are not selective, they are cation transporters. And maybe those cation transporters are also involved in reuptake of histamine. And there are not one or two, there are at least 3, 4, 5 of them. So it means that in addition to the classical reuptake sites that we can have at presynaptic terminals of monoamine cells, we can have additional transporters with low affinity, but they can carry on the monoamines. And as I told you, for glutamate and GABA, we have a lot of distinct transporters. So you see, this is extremely diverse for cleaning the neurotransmitter from the synaptic cleft. And there is, for a friend of mine, the diamond or the Rolls Royce of the enzyme to destroy a neurotransmitter, acetylcholine esterase. It looks like this enzyme is perfect to remove and destroy acetylcholine. And indeed, we have some difficulties without using inhibitor of acetylcholinesterase to measure in vivo extracellular levels of acetylcholine, because this is extremely efficacious. And I will show you a little bit why, but also in the way of interacting with acetylcholine, the way it places acetylcholine and in the catalytic site, this is extremely efficacious. And then we have enzymes of degradation that are located inside cells once reuptake. So MAO, COMT, which is more in glial cells, and histamine and also other enzymes, because this is done that. And we will see when I will develop for specific neurotransmitter systems. For the neuropeptides, we don't have reuptake sites. Maybe it has been proposed for CCK, but I did not see at the end the paper. And these are zinc metallopeptidase linked to the membrane, plasmic membrane, with a catalytic site, this time in, so probably those enzymes were produced from the large core dense vesicles, the plasmic membrane after release inside the synaptic cleft. An interesting point when taking into account the diversity of the different neuropeptide systems is, do we have enzyme for each peptide? And for substance P, we would have a specific enzyme involved in the degradation of substance. I mean, for instance, I mentioned this lost me
a little bit.
I heard something.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
Yes, but okay.
It's back now.
Okay, it's back. Good.
Yes.
Okay, three of those enzymes. So this is always weird. Dipeptidyl aminopeptidase, DAP, which has been isolated and especially studied in case of cholecystokinin, CCK, aminopeptidase, ANP, for enkephalins, and neutral endopeptidase, the NEP, also for enkephalin, by the way, and substance P or something like that. For substance P, you have substance P degrading enzyme, but which is not selective for substance P. So these are protease. Maybe protease can cleave also the peptides. So I say ectopeptidase because this is outside cells with a catalytic site expressed present in the synaptic cleft. So here is the prototype, the diamond of destructive machine, the acetylcholinesterase with the collagen tail, the catalytic subunits, there are three, and the peptide involved in the the catalytic subunit to destroy acetylcholine. Then we go toward the enzyme in B involved in the degradation of substance P, and at least, and here this is the NEP. So the neutral endopeptidase, and in the field, the international name is endopeptidase 24.11. So you can see in the table the peptide